Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Today we're going to do a loaded gift bag, and I wanted to use this bag as a goodie bag instead of like a Happy Mail loaded gift bag. I think I like it best this way. I could have used it as a gift bag and inserted everything inside the bag. However, it doesn't give it a wow factor, and I was going for a wow factor while including these goodies in this bag. So here I'm using the Love paper by Paper Studio I bought at Hobby Lobby, and it reminds me of like the Mickey Mouse style. So I went ahead and used it. I thought it matched the XO design on the bag, and I also used the Martha Stewart Heart Punch, and I used it in black. The black papers from Michael's Recollections, the doilies from the Dollar Tree, and the bag is from Target. So here you see me fold the heart doily and glue it. I didn't need to do this. I was going to position this heart in the middle of the bag, and that's why I folded it, but I ended up doing it on the side, left hand side of the bag and gluing it. In that case, I didn't have to fold the doily, but it doesn't show in the end, so it all turned out okay. I'm gluing the side of the bag here with hot glue to create a pocket. I'm using this ribbon from Michael's. I love this ribbon. I took out the wire off of the ribbon. That way it didn't bend while in use. You don't have to do this, it's just a personal preference. And I'm using hot glue to glue it to the bottom of the bag. I love this ribbon. Like I said, I love black, white, and red, especially glitter. I'm making a paper clip out of the table scatter from the Dollar Tree. I think the table scatter is a great way to use for a paper clip or on some clothespins. I'm using this conversation sticker heart from the Dollar Tree, and it's also one of my favorites to use in a paper clip. I have this heart punch from Recollections, and I'm using it to punch out a black heart. And I glue the black heart to the miniature clothespin I purchased at Michael's. And you see me add it to the ribbon at the bottom of the bag. I end up changing that later on. I love this clothespin from Target. It matches the bag. It has the XO design on it in red. And I made this rosette out of crepe paper. This felt sticker is from the Dollar Tree, and I just removed the top portion of the sticker and used the bottom half of it to add it to this rosette, and I think it turned out nice. The red, black, and white sticker is from the Dollar Tree, and I removed some of that sticker also and just used the top portion, and I think it came out really cute. I'm adding some stamped words from Studio G stamp made by Michael's, and I just make a banner using Recollections red cardstock. I'm using StazOn as the ink. I love how StazOn smells. It has this fruity berry smell to it. So here you see me making the banner, and then later I position the stickers and the banner and glue it to the rosette. I loved how this rosette turned out. And these felt stickers from the Dollar Tree, I have so many ideas. Unfortunately, Valentine's is coming to an end, and hopefully I could create a little bit more things and post videos and show you guys my ideas. I love this black heart that the bag came with, so I end up removing it and I'm going to use it in the front of the bag. Gluing the rosette down with some hot glue. And I reposition that clothespin on the rosette. I think it looks best there. Now time to glue this glittered foam heart from the Dollar Tree. I would have loved to glue it on top of the doily instead of on the side of the doily, but in the end it still came out okay. I would have preferred it, you know, on the doily, but that's okay next time. I'm using this die cut from Hobby Lobby. It's one of the large alpha dies, and I use it often in my videos. I enjoy it so much. So here I'm trying to figure out where to put this black heart, and I think it looks best there. And I add a little heart to cover that hole. And I use the Recollections punch to do so. I'm using this doorknob holder or doorknob stopper. I'm not sure what it said there. However, I want to use the ribbon and the bells, and I glue it to that clothespin there, and I think it came out really cute. I'm going to glue these heart chocolates to those foam heart sticks. So I remove the foam heart and I glue the chocolates to it, and I add it to the front pocket. And I could hear my son coming down the stairs, so it's going to get a little loud. I went ahead and added the tissue paper that the bag came with and add all the goodies to it, and I think it came out really cute. I'm also going to later off camera put this in a plastic bag and tie a bow on the top. And I hope you guys liked it. I think it came out cute, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.